In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your front turn signal bulbs in your 2020 and up Chevy Silverado 2500, 3500. Now there's nothing wrong with my bulbs, I'm just upgrading them to some LASFit LEDs, but it's the same process. First thing we need to do is pop the hood and get that release. It's pretty much dead center on the hood. Now the bulb we're after is in this housing, and we're just going to go behind it. If you're familiar with older trucks, you might think it's that connector down there, but it's not. Just above that connector, there's a piece of plastic, and you just twist it counterclockwise, and out comes our bulb. Now, it's pretty easy. A couple things you should know. You don't want to touch this with your bare hands. Use a clean rag. Oil on the bulb could negatively impact the life of the bulb. I'm replacing that bulb with a LASFit LED. I've got LASFit LED headlights in here. I've also got LASFit reverse lights. Those headlights I've had for about 3 years. No issues. No issues with the reverse lights. So I'm pretty confident these are going to work fine. Now these are a little different than a regular bulb. Let me show you what I mean. The bulb just pulls out. Nothing to it. And the new bulb just presses right in. Like so. Again, only touch it with a rag. Don't touch it with your bare fingers. This has a little nub on here and it'll only fit one way. So what you want to do is just push it in. Don't worry about this nub too much. Just spin it clockwise until it clicks into place. You'll know it when it happens. So we're just going to go right down into the hole and then just spin that clockwise. There. Now she's in place. I'm going to show you the difference from the standard bulb, which is over here, to the LED, which is now over there. Take a look over here, our bulb is amber. Over here, our bulb is clear. I know you're thinking that's not going to work, it probably won't pass inspection. Well, hang on. On the side, we're amber. And you see over here, amber, and then amber on the front. However, when it comes to this being amber or not, what's really important is, what's it look like when the turn signal's on? This is just with the headlights on. Now I've gone ahead and put the hazards on so we can see them both at the same time. There's our amber. And check this out. This is now amber as well. There it is with our headlights off. You can see they're both amber. That one's clearly brighter. A little bit of a closer look at this one. And now the original. I definitely like the new LED better, so I'm going to swap this one out now. It's a really easy job. If I can do it, you can do it. Like, subscribe, comment. I'll see you down the road. Done. Just like that.